Okay, so once we're inside the directory, you're going to be, your mouse over, you'll see these menus up here. Clicking on any one of these icons will take you to the category. So we've gone to low cost, these are all low cost sites. Now, just say we want to do a search. So we want to do New South Wales, and we want to do free camps. And then we go update map. And then what will happen is the directory will be searched for all of the free camps in New South Wales. And then we can zoom in with our mouse, or zoom in and out with this thing here. And you'll see the clusters here. If you click on a cluster, it zooms in further. You zoom out, then move back into clusters. So there you go. That's how you'll do a search for a specific category in a specific location.